Hi, my name is Professor Oren Rigby. I'm the CEO and founder of Akkure Genomics. Akkure is a next-generation clinical trials platform. What makes it next generation is the fusion of both virtual trials with precision medicine. To provide this next granular level of clinical trial data, we require matching of patients with trials based on not only their clinical profile, but also their genomic profile. Akkure offers this service.
Clinical trials are research studies performed with patients. They are the primary way that medical researchers find out if a new treatment, like a new drug or diet or medical device, is safe and effective in people. At present, the way in which clinical trials are carried out globally is outdated, dysfunctional and ineffective. Patients are badly served as a result of ancient systems and isolated communications methods. Akkure solves this problem with on-demand trial matching and digital communication channels.
We recently closed a funding round of 1.6 million with investment from both the prestigious National Digital Transformation and Innovation Fund, along with the VC Enterprise Ireland and a number of high net worth medical individuals. We've decided to engage in a small top-up round for 300,000 to offer the chance for patients themselves to get involved in ownership of this next generation clinical trials platform. The crowdfunding investors are therefore getting the same terms as venture capital. Akkure is based at Nova UCD. This is the hub of technological and entrepreneurial activities at University College Dublin. As a company, we've been developing this suite of AI and patents since October 2018, with commercialization launching in early Q1 2021.
Let me give you some background as to the problem that Akkure is solving. Patients currently have no idea of where or how to find clinical trials that match their needs or that are suitable for their participation, and distance is always a problem. In turn, specialists are only aware of the trials that are available in their local area or indeed their own hospital. And these may have no benefit to the patient themselves. Similarly, the vast majority of GPs and specialists have no time or resources to identify or support patients in exploring or accessing trials in their condition. As a result of this, in the US, there are currently 18,000 clinical trials seeking cancer patients. Only 5% of the 15.5 million cancer patients participate, which means that valuable data is being lost on a daily basis. That's only one country. At any one time, there are 280,000 clinical trials in progress globally. 80% of trials fail to meet enrolment deadlines. 50% of trials enroll one or no patients in their studies. 85% of trials fail to enroll enough patients, and 80% of trials do not finish on time. So as you can see, the current model is not working. Furthermore, $39 billion is paid annually to CROs for connecting doctors and patients with trial opportunities. 40% of the total US pharmaceutical clinical trial budget goes towards recruitment of patients. This equates to $1.89 billion.
The Akkure solution combines both precision medicine with virtual digital trials to enhance the rate of both recruitment and the retention of patients for clinical trials. Our platform uses artificial intelligence, or AI, to power the digital infrastructure for a next generation clinical trial format. This transforms local to global, particularly for patients with cancer, rare disease or other chronic medical conditions.
Akkure rewards patients for sharing their data in trials and ultimately providing a patient-centric virtual framework to collectively group similar patients together, thereby increasing their leverage in engaging with pharmaceutical companies seeking to test new drugs and medicines.
The opportunity for a platform that addresses the scale of the problems that face the pharmaceutical and clinical trials industry is enormous. Both the current pressing need and the future next generation of clinical trials offers tremendous opportunity for any company engaged in the transformation of same. The clinical trials industry has seen almost 100% growth in the last 3 years, now worth an estimated $65 billion globally. In the UK alone, in 2019, there were 870,000 patients participating in clinical trials, and that's the UK alone. There were several million consultations and follow-up conducted as a result of those 870,000 participants. We feel there's an opportunity here to transform the engagement and follow-up into a virtual and robotic process, automating and scaling.
We expect to be generating $170 million in revenues after 5 years from 4 different revenue streams: premium subscribers, genomic analytics, data analytics, and teletrial consults. Further details on our business model can be found in our slide deck.
We have a highly experienced management and executive team with deep domain expertise in this industry.
My name is Dr. Amy Rigby. I am a consultant respiratory physician at the Beacon Hospital. I am also co-founder and medical director of Akkure. I have over 15 years of clinical and research aggregation expertise. I also have access to an extensive international medical network. Our other co-founder and director of genomics, Dr. Elaine Kenny, is director of Trinsec, Trinity College Dublin's Genomics Research Lab.
Last year, Akkure was winner of the 2019 Irish Government's Digital Innovation and Transformation Fund. This was a $6.3 million project which we won in collaboration with our key partners of both Microsoft and the Royal College of Surgeons, offering us the opportunity to transform our vision for the next generation of clinical trials.
Our platform is unique. It's the only networked ecosystem for patient engagement and retention for the following reasons. It matches patients to clinical trials, which assists doctors, patients, and hospitals using a suite of AI tools. It offers genetic sequencing and cohort matching to create powerful groups of patients at a precision medical level. It has virtual asynchronous robotic clinical consultation capability during trials, automating and scaling peri-trial pharmacovigilance, surveillance and alerts. It holds access to a range of patents, including the world's first home sampling identification kit.
In summary, we're an award-winning digital health scale-up, operating in a multi-billion-dollar global industry, growing rapidly. Our highly qualified team has unique expertise and a successful track record. Akkure have secured dilution-free grant funding of over €1 million. As an EISS-approved company, every investor receives a tax rebate of 40% of what they invest. The minimum investment is just €100. You can find more information about the Akkure Genomics team, our proprietary software, our vision, and ultimately the opportunity tool on the Spark crowdfunding website. Thanks for listening. I look forward to partnering with you on the next stage of our exciting journey in embracing the future of precision medical trials.